This is Jamie's Pro 52. He's been riding it for well over a year and let literally dozens of other kids take and run it for a while. It's been run through the mill. Needs a definite prepping. We're going to resharpen the edges here. Basically pretty basic. Get yourself a couple, maybe a medium cut and a fine cut file, and just like you would sharpen a blade on an axe. John here is going to work on that for a minute, and then we'll get back with him. Fun to ride, but every once in a while you gotta prep them. As we found out with about half a dozen or so of our guys been riding for a year on unsharpened edges. John's using a new special laminate file. Double cut on one side, single cut on the other. These things are coming out like razors.